In my previous videos, I have shared my 52 days travel experiences around Kerala. Kerala is state of India, which is also called as God's own country. If you have not watched them, please click subscribe and check them later. After traveling around Kerala, from Trivandrum railway station I took direct train to Madurai, which is in Tamilnadu state. It was in Madurai in 1921 that Mahatma Gandhi first adopted the loin cloth as his mode of dress, agricultural laborers wearing it. Madurai is built around the Meenakshi Amma temple, which acted as the geographic and ritual center of the ancient city of Madurai. The temple complex houses 14 gateway towers ranging from 45 to 50 meters in height, the tallest being the southern tower, 51.9 meters high. The temple attracts an average 15,000 visitors a day, which grows to around 25,000 on Fridays. Now let me share my travel experiences around Madurai. If you know me personally or if you are a subscriber of this YouTube channel, then you know that when I travel, I stay with locals, not in a hotel, lodge or in dormitories. I avoid eating out at restaurants, love walking a lot, more into local culture and meeting people than visiting touristy sites. My local host in Madurai hosted me for 14 days, treated me like a family member, offered me car, bike, bicycle to visit places around Madurai. I have selected bicycle as I wanted to go slow and always wanted to try cycling in different locations. A cyclist is a disaster for the economy. They don't buy gasoline or spend a lot of money at the mechanic. They don't pay for insurance or parking. Moreover, they stay fit and healthy. The economy doesn't need healthy people. They don't support the pharma industry or private health services. I stayed in Madurai during Diwali. Diwali or Deepavali is the festival of lights, is an ancient, biggest and brightest of all Hindu festivals celebrated every year. Hindus believe that if we eat meat of animals, we will start to develop animal qualities. For me, strange thing which I came across in Madurai was, on Diwali, non-vegetarians tend to eat a lot of meat, including a lot of red meat like mutton on Diwali. During my stay, I have visited many locals with my host and I got to taste some unique food. Also cycled around 100 plus kilometers. Visited some villages and sites like ISKCON Krishna Temple, Sri Ramakrishna Mutt, Yanamalai Yoganarasimha Temple, Jain Monuments, Tirumalai Nayakar Mahal, Gandhi Museum, Algar Kovil, and Meenakshi Amma Temple. Other than my host family, best thing I liked in Madurai was Perumal Malai Jain Monument, which reminded me of Hampi's hills.